5400. Oh my god, wow, no way. It's like I'm about to land on the moon. It looks so fascinating. Oh my god. Hey, what's up? Sami here. Since many of you guys are interested in moon photo shooting, so in this video, let's shoot it with the latest flagship phones. Alright, we got the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, OPPO Find X9 Pro, S25 Ultra, Vivo X300 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro. And by the way, we'll be using the Telephoto external for the OPPO and Vivo. And this video is gonna be really interesting. Oh, but with the moon. Come on, it's here behind the building. Starting with iPhone 40 times. This is 40 times maximum. So let's take a picture. So what? I can see just use the AI to reduce the noise a little bit, but that's the iPhone. So okay, let's go to another one. Let me just switch a little bit. 100 I think is very difficult for it to handle, but anyway, let's just. So this is the maximum. Seems not that bad. Seems not bad. I would take photos like one at the maximum and one at the focal length. I think would generate the best moon photos. So right, maybe 50 times would it be better? Okay, 50 times. Not bad. Actually not that bad, but yeah, it looks really grainy if you zoom in. And also took like at 30 times. Now Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. All right, all the way to 30 times. All right, you can see there's icon here, super moon. So maybe let's just turn on the super moon mode, because if it offers, we're not use it, right? First, let's take one at the maximum, 120. 50 times. Wow, not bad, right? At 30 times. So yeah, just put it here. Now OPPO Find X9 Pro, one of my favorite Android brands. All right, that's the maximum. Wow, you can see the AI. Wow, did a fairly good job. You can even see the patterns, the details. That's the 50. Wow, looks really not bad. So I also took one at 30. Now Vivo X300 Pro. Wow, we have the super moon mode. Okay, let's just do the max zoom first. Oh my god, not bad. We can see some details. That's the maximum. 50 times. Okay, also 30 times, around 30 times. That is the moon. Wow, 30 times is like much better, right? Gives you the best like overall using experience. But 50 times is not bad, but a little bit softer. Wow, that's it. But you know, for OPPO, Vivo, they offer two telephoto extender, 1600 millimeters. Wow, oh my god, it's crazy. That's just crazy good. And now let's just go to maximum. Oh man, that's too big. That's too big. It's like I'm about to land on moon. All right. Okay, so already done. But I think the 1600 millimeters is the most crazy one. Why you can see the pit. You see. Oh my god, that's just a crazy detail. I'm not sure if like it's really like AI generate this thing, but it looks so super real. Okay, this is like the maximum, a little bit grainy. So the best I think is this 1600 millimeters. All right, so 10 times, 20 times. Let's also take one. 40 times. You see, 40 times is so clear. 600, 6 times. Wow, you can see the details, the crater, right?